Welcome back to Kivy with Case. Here we are going to create stack layout in Kivy. Import Kivy from Kivy dot app. Import app from Kivy dot uix dot button. Import button from Kivy dot uix dot stack layout. Import stack layout class my stack layout app colon enter dev build self enter stack layout equal stack layout spacing equal 5 padding equal 10 button text equal Darjeeling, towards Kalimpong, Kurseong, okay, D, then G, Gangtok, Lataguri. For text in button texts, button equal button text equal text, size hint equal none, none, size equal 100, 50. Stack layout dot add widget button. Return stack layout. If name main colon my stack layout app. Run. Now let's run the code. There is an error. Here should be colon. Now run. We got only one button here. There may be some error in the code because it has given only one button. Let's check the code. So here we see, okay, there will be a backspace here. Now let's check. Yes, it has given 6 buttons. So here you look, all the buttons are arranged in a stack-like manner. Now we will add a label in this layout. Let us add a label here. Before that we have to enter this line to import label from Kivy dot UIX dot label import label. Now label equal label text welcome to North Bengal and Sikkim tourism. Done. And we have to add this widget StackLayout dot add widget label. Now let's run. Indentation error. Yes, done. But you look here that the label is in the center and all the buttons have gone down and almost they are not visible. So to avoid this, let us do one thing. Let us prepare box layout and stack layout together. We nest them. Let us import box layout also. Now let us add here box layout equal box layout orientation vertical, spacing 5, padding 10. Now let's take this level up. Then box layout dot add widget label. Box layout dot add widget stack layout. Now let's change this name. My travel app. So here my travel app. Now let's run. Button texts indentation error. So here backspace. Here box layout. Now let's check. There is a spelling mistake. Orientation. Okay, now you look. Now all the buttons are visible properly. Darjeeling towards Gangtok, Kalimpong, Karsiang, Lataguri. Hope it helped you. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box.